Okay, hi everybody. This is Math 31. This is the exponential and logarithmic functions review, and this is question 1L. We're just taking the derivative of these functions here. And this is an interesting one because we've got a logarithmic function multiplied by an exponential function that's got a polynomial up there. So there's a lot going on in this question here, but there's not a lot of simplifying I can do. So what I got to do here is just jump in and start taking the derivative. So I've got two terms here, or sorry, two factors. The derivative of x minus natural log of x will be 1 minus 1 over x. And I'll multiply that by e to the x squared. Okay, so that's the derivative of the first factor times the second factor. Plus the first factor, x minus the natural log of x, times the derivative of the second factor. Now in this case right here, the derivative of the exponential is itself. Okay, but then I do have to multiply by the derivative of that function that the exponential function is being raised to. So this will be 2x. Okay, and that looks great there. There's not an awful lot that I can do to simplify that. I'm just taking a quick look here. Yeah, not really a whole lot that I can do. So it's probably safe to say that that's what you want to write here. Now we probably could, like for example, factor out the e to the x there. So I mean we could take out the e to the x squared, and then you're left with 1 minus 1 over x, okay, plus 2x squared minus 2x natural log of x when you multiply that 2x through there. But yeah, I mean now if I was to like multiply this thing through it, take out for example the common x, and we could do that because we've established that as a rule in the past. If I took out that x to the negative 1 here, so made this x to the negative 1 times e to the x squared, this would all become, what do we got here? This will end up becoming x, this would end up becoming minus 1 plus 2x cubed minus 2x squared natural log of x. And I don't really think there's much more that I can do to make that either better or worse.